Hello YouTube, this is Lego Factory, and this is my Lego moving statue. And I apologize for not posting a video in a while, but hopefully this makes up for it. Without further ado, we're going to get into the details of this build. The base of the sculpture sort of looks like a Minecraft block, and you can see a little ant right here with a hill around it. On the side, you can see these foldable bricks, and we'll see that feature later. You can see the crate here. On the left side, you can see these two irregular blocks. And then we're back to the front. First off, there's this little Lego crate that is at the back of the base of the sculpture, and when you turn it, the Lego bird flaps his wing and rises up and down. One of the things I really worked hard to do with the bird's movement is make it steady, and with the wings flap downwards, I wanted the bird to move upwards. So, as you can see, when the wings move downwards, the bird's body rises in the air. And it does this steadily. There's no irregular movement. The statue that is movable can actually be taken off and changed out. But before we change this out, take a look at the bird. It's a sort of blue jay looking bird. Very pretty, a little bit of white mixed in. And the wings are pretty foldable, which is a key element to making it look like it's flapping its wings. And on the top, you can also see some flowers and some irregular colored grass tiles. This is another little Lego thing I made. It's a bit of a weird one, but it's basically a flying sort of helicopter looking thing, and you can't really see inside, but there is a frog in the pilot seat. It has this moving propeller on the top, and we're going to quickly place this on, attach it. It's pretty simple to attach, and as you can see, I'm already done, and this is what it looks like. I've created this mini model of the wings to show you how they work and why they are so important. First off, they had to be able to move out and then retract back in. So I used a few different variations of this, but this version worked the best and it looked the best. And basically, I'm just using these Technic thin pieces with axles in them, and that allows it to retract in and retract out while being connected to the structure with a 1x1 brick. And it works very well. On the side of the base, you can see these two gray 1x1 bricks with this hole for a Technic piece to go in. This actually allows you to open the maze up And you can see on the right side an anthill, and on the left side the mechanism. And on the anthill you can just see another ant, some food, a vine, and some dirt. And then on the left side you can see the mechanism. This is what the mechanism looks like when you turn the crank. The two wings move side to side, and this piece moves up and down. Here is a model of the two wings for my mechanism. On the back, you can see the crank. This rod piece is connected to one of 4 of the holes in this gear. When the gear is turned by the crank, the holes are moved up and down, taking the rod piece with it. This piece up here keeps the rod piece upwards. So if I took this piece off, the rod piece would just fall down. So this model is accurate for the two wings mechanism, but it is not quite accurate for this middle mechanism. So all we have to do is add this piece, and this is just a axle with a stopper on the end, a few set of bricks, and this piece with the hole in it. Notice though, this piece is fixed, it does not spin around, and that is very important. Just place this on top, then when you spin this, it moves it up and down. And the reason this should not move is because if it did move, it would be a lot like the wing mechanism. It would move like back and forth. We want this to move up and down. I hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.